This TikTok account is racking up insane views using just one simple AI method. This video, 8.8 million views. This clip of a fish, 2.4 million views. And this one of a snail, 2 million views. These aren't just random lucky hits. There's a strategy behind them. And today I'm going to break it down for you, step by step. A few days ago, I stumbled upon something that completely blew my mind. A hyper-realistic AI-generated video of a grasshopper playing the guitar in the middle of a breathtaking wheat field. The animation was smooth, the visuals were stunning, and the entire thing looked like it was straight out of a high-end animation studio. But here's what really caught my attention. 8.8 million views, over 11,000 comments, nearly 1 million shares. Numbers like that are almost unheard of for AI-generated content right now. And the craziest part? This wasn't a one-hit wonder. This account had multiple AI videos, each pulling in millions of views. At first, I assumed this had to be the work of a professional animator, someone with years of experience using advanced 3D software. But then I had a thought. What if it's not that complicated? So I went down the rabbit hole. I tested every AI video tool I could find, tweaking prompts, experimenting with different platforms, and refining techniques until I cracked the exact formula this account was using. But here's where things get even more interesting. This is an untapped goldmine. Imagine being one of the first to jump into this niche on YouTube, creating unique AI-generated videos that stand out in a way nobody else is doing. You could blow up your channel overnight, but here's the catch. You need to act now before this method gets saturated. Let's get started. Step 1. Crafting the perfect AI image prompt. The foundation of these viral videos starts with a strong image prompt. But don't worry, I've already created a ready-to-use prompt for you. All you have to do is swap out the animal name. For this demo, I'll use a lion playing the guitar. But you can pick any animal you want. It's completely up to you. Now let's head over to ChatGPT and paste the prompt. The AI will generate a highly detailed description of the image, including the animal's posture, the background setting, lighting, and mood details. This is exactly what we need to create a stunning, professional-looking image. Step 2. Generating ultra-realistic AI images. Now that we have our prompt, it's time to create the actual images. There are several AI image generators you can use, but for this tutorial, I'll be using Leonardo AI because it's free, it delivers incredibly detailed results. You get 150 free tokens every day. Go to Google, type Leonardo AI, and click the first link. Sign up, it takes 2 minutes max. Once inside, tweak a few settings for the best results. Set the model to Leonardo Phoenix. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, perfect for YouTube Shorts. Now just paste in the ChatGPT generated prompt, hit generate, and boom, just look at this. This AI generated image looks like it was created by a professional digital artist. Quick tip, if you don't love the results, tweak the prompt slightly and generate again. You can get different styles, different lighting, and unique variations until you find the perfect one. Step 3. Transforming images into AI-generated videos. Now comes the fun part, bringing these images to life with AI animation. There are multiple tools for this, but after testing every major platform, I found that Kling AI delivers the best results. Go to Kling AI, sign in with Google, new users get a 3-day free trial. Select Image to AI Video mode, Image to Video, Frame. Upload your image. In the description box, type out what motion you want the animal to do. For better results, ask ChatGPT to generate a detailed animation description and paste that in. Click Generate. After a few minutes, your static image is now a fully animated video clip. Pro tip: if you're on the free plan and run out of tokens, you can use multiple Gmail accounts to keep generating for free. Step 4. Adding sound effects and background music. Now we need to make the video come alive with perfect sound effects and music. For sound effects, I use DupDup AI, an all-in-one sound generator that can create custom guitar sounds, generate wave sounds for beach scenes, make forest ambiance for jungle scenes. Simply type a description of the sound you need, or use the pre-written prompt in the Google Doc, And AI will generate the perfect sound effect. Step 5. Final editing in CapCut. Now let's put everything together. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import the AI-generated video clips. Drag them onto the timeline. Add smooth transitions between scenes. Import the AI-generated sound effects and background music. Adjust volume levels to balance everything perfectly. Once that's done, click Export, set it to 4K resolution, and your viral AI video is ready. Final thoughts. The AI video gold rush is here. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to dominate a brand new AI video niche. You now have everything you need to create stunning, viral AI content that can skyrocket your channel. So what are you waiting for? Start creating now before the market gets flooded.